I know it was like a month ago, but here's the Burgers and Burnies video. Let's go. Welcome back to the channel. It's Justin from JBDrones. There's going to be a little bit of snow in this video, and then a whole lot of cars and burnouts. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know what you think in the comments. Big shout out to my girlfriend Britt for getting an ND filter for the Sony, so that hopefully everything doesn't look like overexposed garbage. Alright, that's enough snow. Time for the car show. So I'm gonna have to blur all that out because of copyrights. But we're here at Burgers and Burnies. I already had the drone up once. Looks like it's gonna be a fun day. See if I can learn how to use an ND filter. Aha, there, now you can see things. That's nice. I promise I'll learn how to be a videographer one day for you guys, but until then you're just gonna have to deal with drone shots and, you know, questionably shaky Sony footage. They had drifting at the Grove for the first time, at least I think in 20 years. I've never seen it before. It turned out really well. Everybody was safe. Everyone had a good time, it seemed like. They had some tandems, some triples, and I think, well, I'll let you see. Just watch the video.
Up to my chin. Won't stop fighting to the very end. Many men try to reach it. Many men have failed. Well, if you wanna get to heaven, you gotta raise a little hell. And I've been running from the law. Oh, catch me howling at the moon. When the sun rises, when the sun
Thanks for watching. I think we're going to cut this one now. Let me know what you think in the comments. Subscribe if you haven't, and stay tuned. We're just getting into the season, and there will be lots of footage this year.